Hello, beautiful soul. Today, we're stepping into the realm of paradoxes, those puzzling, often contradictory truths that have intrigued philosophers, mystics, and scientists alike for centuries. A paradox challenges us to hold opposites together, inviting us to step beyond linear thinking and embrace the vast, multidimensional nature of reality. But paradoxes don't only belong to the mystical, they also live at the heart of science, mathematics, and physics. In this episode, we'll explore the nature of paradoxes, their connection to universal truths, and how they bridge the metaphysical with the scientific. By the end, you'll see that paradoxes are not barriers to understanding. They are gateways to deeper awareness. Let's begin with the question, what is a paradox? A paradox is a statement or situation that seems contradictory but holds a deeper, often hidden truth. Paradoxes challenge our assumptions and invite us to expand our perception of reality. Consider these examples. The more you know, the more you realize how little you know. To find yourself, you must lose yourself. In physics, light behaves as both a particle and a wave. Paradoxes remind us that truth is not always straightforward. It can be layered, complex, and multidimensional. They show us that reality often resists simple explanations, asking us to hold multiple perspectives at once. One of the most famous scientific paradoxes is Schrödinger's cat. In this thought experiment, a cat in a sealed box is simultaneously alive and dead until someone opens the box to observe it. This paradox illustrates the strange world of quantum mechanics, where particles exist in multiple states at once until observed. From a metaphysical perspective, Schrödinger's paradox points to a deeper truth. Reality is influenced by consciousness. The act of observation itself plays a role in shaping what unfolds. Ask yourself, how do my beliefs and perceptions shape the reality I observe? How can I hold space for multiple possibilities at once, without rushing to certainty? Now let's explore the paradox of infinity in mathematics. Infinity is both a concept and a paradox. For example, the set of all numbers is infinite, but within infinity, there can be infinite subsets. Mathematicians like Georg Cantor discovered that there are even different sizes of infinity. Some infinities are larger than others. This mathematical paradox challenges our linear thinking and invites us to embrace the boundlessness of existence. From a metaphysical perspective, infinity represents the eternal nature of consciousness, the idea that we are both finite beings and infinite in essence. Take a moment to reflect. How can I embrace the infinite within my finite experiences? Can I see myself as both a unique individual and part of something boundless? Another profound paradox is the concept of duality and non-duality. In our daily lives, we experience the world in dualities: light and dark, self and other, creation and destruction. But many spiritual teachings point to the idea of non-duality, the truth that beneath these apparent opposites, all is one. In physics, this paradox appears in the form of wave-particle duality, where light and matter exhibit both particle-like and wave-like properties depending on how they're observed. Similarly, in metaphysics, non-duality teaches that opposites are not truly separate. They are different expressions of the same underlying reality. Ask yourself, where in my life do I experience dualities that feel irreconcilable? How can I hold space for the idea that opposites may be connected? Let's explore a paradox in time itself. The paradox of now and eternity. We experience time as linear, a sequence of past, present, and future. But both science and metaphysics suggest that time is more fluid. Einstein's theory of relativity shows that time can stretch and compress depending on speed and gravity. And some physicists believe that past, present, and future coexist in a block universe. From a metaphysical perspective, the present moment, the now, is seen as a doorway to eternity. When you are fully present, time seems to dissolve, revealing a timeless awareness. Take a moment to reflect. How often am I fully present in the now? Can I sense the timelessness that exists within each moment? Now let's explore why paradoxes matter. Paradoxes challenge our need for certainty and invite us into the mystery. In both science and spirituality, paradoxes are often clues that point to deeper truths that cannot be fully grasped by logic alone, but must be felt and experienced. Here's a simple practice to embrace paradoxes in your life. 1. Pause and breathe. When you encounter a paradox or contradiction, resist the urge to resolve it immediately. 2. Hold space. Allow both sides of the paradox to coexist in your mind and heart. 3. Affirm. I trust that deeper truths can emerge from complexity. 4. Stay open. Notice how your awareness expands when you release the need for a linear answer. This practice helps you move from either-or thinking to both-and thinking, opening you to a more expansive understanding of reality. Let's return to the idea of the observer's role in reality. Both science and metaphysics agree on this. Your perception influences what you experience. In quantum mechanics, particles behave differently depending on how they are observed. In metaphysics, your thoughts, emotions, and intentions shape your reality. This leads us to a profound truth. You are both the observer and the creator. By expanding your perception and embracing paradoxes, you become more conscious of the reality you are co-creating. Take a moment to reflect. How can I shift my perspective to see the paradoxes in my life as opportunities for growth? How can I embrace uncertainty as a path to deeper wisdom? As we conclude, remember this. Paradoxes are not obstacles to understanding. They are invitations to expand your awareness. They remind us that reality is not linear, fixed, or simple, but vast, fluid, and alive with possibility. By embracing paradoxes, you step into the mystery of existence, where opposites dance, contradictions dissolve, and deeper truths emerge. Thank you for sharing this journey with me today. Until next time, may you approach life's paradoxes with curiosity, your mind with openness, and your heart with trust in the infinite wisdom of the universe.